Hi guys, welcome to Xinhua Live. I'm Feng Yuanyuan with Xinhua News Agency. A Chinese shipbuilding firm has finished building the world's first semi-submersible fish farm unit and has delivered the automated offshore unit to Norwegian salmon fishing company, Sema Group.
The delivery was made here in Qingdao, a coastal city in East China's Shandong province. And in a few days' time, it will set sail for Norway. Now, engineers are making final preparations to facilitate the journey. The fish farm, known as Ocean Farm 1, goes beyond the narrow definition of a farm. It offers a fully automated platform for marine projects and preparing the ground for testing the biological and technological dimensions of open ocean aquaculture. It's believed to have incorporated the most advanced and sustainable technology in fish breeding. The fish farm is a full-scale pilot facility for testing, learning, research, and development. It will be equipped for R&D activities, with particular focus on biological conditions and fish welfare. The fish farm was built by Wuchang Shipbuilding Industry Group, a subsidiary of the China Shipbuilding Industry Corporation. The semi-submersible facility is believed to be a new milestone in China's naval engineering capabilities. Wuchang Shipbuilding Industry Group delivered the vessel to Salmar ASA in Qingdao. Salmar is one of the world's largest companies in salmon production and processing. The vessel, 110 meters in diameter and 69 meters tall, weighs 7,700 tons and can resist powerful typhoons with a wind speed of up to 36 meters per second. It can accommodate water for farming 1.5 million fish while maintaining a death rate of less than 2%. Some 2,000 sensors allow the marine site to achieve complete automation in monitoring and feeding the fish.
As a director of the fish farm project, how do you evaluate the project and about its design and function?
Now you've seen the project behind me. We consider this is very success project. This project is the first design in the world. Globe Marine, in Norwegian design company, Globe Marine is the designer for the basic and the detail. Our company, design company, CIMOE have involved for some of the detail design and also the production design. During the construction, we have facing a lot of problems because this is the combination of the technology of oil and gas and agriculture. So a lot of technology have first involved in this construction. For example, we have the big rotation test related to the fish farm in 110 diameter in the circle, and also height is 69 meters. So huge equipment. We consider it as equipment to do the rotation test. Also have a lot of things related to the agriculture. The equipment we have never met before during our construction. So we have overcome a lot of the challenges, and we have reached to today's stage. We consider this is a very successful project.
Okay, as a manufacturing, as a director of the fish farm project, how do you evaluate the program, and are you
We consider this is a very successful project. This is the first design in the world. The designer is from Norwegian company Globe Marine. They are doing the concept and the detail design. Our design company CIMOU have involved some of the detail design and also the production design. You can see the huge structure. We can see these were already formed, but this project have involved around 20,000 sensors and also 100 equipment. They have combined is the combination of technology of oil, gas, and agriculture. During the operation of this fish farm, it is fully automatic controls and simulation of the fish feeding and fish growing and fish transferring, and a lot of things is simulation by the fish in the real situation in the sea. So another challenge for us for this project is the big size of the movable barhead. They involved in the big size of this in diameter 110 meters and also height is 69 meters. In these huge sizes, the overheat is controlled in the minimum level. During the rotation test, we have overcome a lot of interface. So we doing this test, we're using 7 days and night to overcome a lot of challenges. Now it's success. But this is the technology we apply. We never used before in the construction. So now owner and the third party DNV is very satisfied with this project.
And has the manufacturing gone according to the schedule?
Sure. Now it's going to deliver in the status. It's going to deliver, but we have facing the big challenge in the delivery in the early stage, even during the construction period, because this is the first design. Technology have a lot of things is uncertain. We can say this is a project during construction, and we also have the design during the construction. So we can say this one is design during the construction. So we have a lot of uncertainties to be solved during the construction. So this gives us a big challenge for the schedule. When all the drawings come out is before Chinese New Year. So at that time we have analyzed, we have the big delays for the delivery in June. So we have discussed for all the details with the owners, and we also draw visible 4D schedules to control all the parts put it in the schedule, and then discuss every aspect with the owner. And the owner have also give us a lot of support for the schedule overcoming. So during Chinese New Year, as you know, Chinese New Year is very important for all the Chinese guys. But when we have this detailed plan, we have arranged around 1,500 people to work during Chinese Lunar Festival, the period. We have gained back around 30 or 40% of the schedule during the Chinese period. So after that, we still put a lot of resources to recover the schedule versus the early design delays. But until now, we can say we already achieved the delivery target.
In a few days, the big unit will be sailed to Norway. And before that, what kind of preparations are still being made?
Definitely, we have a lot of things need to prepare, because you know, so big size of the fish farm we are put in the semi-submersible vessels, which is already in the anchorage. Now it's waiting. We have do a lot of preparation on the sea fastening for this project, for this fish farm to sit on the semi-submersible vessel, and also we have flooding the dock to let this fish farm to float with the designated the draft. We also prepare a lot of the target lines for this to tow out. We have prepared 7 tugboats for this unit to be towed out. Before that, we need to ballast the vessels. So we have engaged the Qingdao local MPAs, tugboat companies, and a pilot. Also a lot of other sectors from local, also marine warranty surveyor and DNVGL and the owner side. A lot of sectors have involved for this one. So this is the sophisticated operations to older personnel. Now we are the preparations are going well. So everything in the control.
And do you remember how many people are involved in the project?
Originally, we have planned around 300,000. 现在不讲这个，把它改了。So at the present, we have involved around 2.3 million man hours. During the peak time, we have around 1,500 to 1,010 to 1,500. So we keep this 1,010 human resources, manpower resources from after Chinese New Year until May. So we have 3 months peak for maintain the manpower to achieve the project delivery in target.
And do you think there is significance of the structure building and the fish farm for your company? The significance to build the fish farm for your company?
So we can say some of the meaning, significance and the meaning for this project. First, we can say this is first design. Why select CSIC? We have a lot of the advantage for this one. The first is excellent HSE performance. We have achieved one of the project is 6.3 million man hours without LTI. For this project, we also achieved 2.3 man hours without LTI. This also is a good achievement. We can say excellent achievement for this. The second is the high quality performance. You can see this type of the structures must stay in the subsea for 25 years. We need to maintain the high quality. We have selected around 5,800 EH or even BH, FH steels for this type of. You can see a lot of the weldings is TK joints. So this is very high requirement from the material, also in the welding. So we have achieved NDT one-time passing rate around above 99%. So this is a very high performance for HSE for quality. The third one, as you know, just now what I have addressed, is for the schedule control. We have very visible 4D schedule control to control every parts. So even every single cables or any single of the terminations, these have enhanced us communicated with owners. We can accurate to control any of the components and the parts, whether it's delay, whether it's in control. So owner is very, very satisfied with us in these areas. So concluded by all of that one, I can show that is show to the world the Chinese shipyard have increased and improved the core competition powers for the manufacturing in this type of projects. Even in the first design, we have hands-on with honor have delivered is so good project to the client. The founder of the fish farm from Ocean Farm, Mr. Gustav, have addressed. He's very satisfied with this project and is happy with the project.
And the significance for China. If, after the fish farm has delivered, and like this structure will be applied in other fields, except fish farming or other field.
等一下，我们
就是 the big structure will be China and Norway cooperation in the fish farming field.
Definitely, this is the first steps. We have to enhance the Chinese and the Norwegian companies. So we can say this is the combination of the technology of offshore and gas, and also with the agriculture to supply the seafood to feed for the hungry humans. So we can enhance on the relationship with a lot of aspect. So it means Norwegian company can come out a lot of designs for the fish farm and have created a lot of demands for this type of the projects to harvest a lot of salmon, even tunas in the future. But with Chinese, we also can use our manufacturing and construction technologies to help them produce a lot of these type of projects, and also can use these combinations relations to supply the salmons to Chinese market.
Okay, thank you.
我再派这个。
跟着这个项目做。Mr. Wang, this is our leading role, the big fish farm unit. And can you tell us what is it exactly and what is used for and how does it work?
Okay, this is the submersible fish farm unit, majorly used for the salmon fish. Going to Norway for this one. And this unit including 3 major parts. You can see on the lower part, including 7 buoys to supply the supporting force for the whole fish unit. And in the middle is the major structures. Major structure including the fishing net and the mobile bulkhead. And on the top, we call the superstructure. The superstructure including the living quarter and for the operator for living and the eating for the something. And on the top levels is the CCR, which is the control center to control whole systems of the unit.
And what's the special about the unit compared with previous fish farm?
Oh, this is a totally different things. And previously, like this fish farm is not the structure. This one is the fully structures with very high levels the structure for the constructions. And the whole structures it can resist very critical sea conditions, which can survive in very serious sea conditions. And this one also including the superstructure, which can allow the people living on the unit, and also have around 20,000 sensors on this unit for the whole system's control. So which is normally don't have so many control system and sensors. So it totally is a different ones.
How to realize feeding fish and collect the dead fish and other functions?
No, this one, I think this one uses lots of very smart and intelligent control and monitor systems. And for example, the mobile barhead, which is can rolling is around the circles in the unit, also can take the fishes very in the narrow space, and for the fish can handling and put out when we grow up. So the mobile barhead also including the can collecting the dead fish on the bottom of this unit, and also can provide another very important functions for the net cleaning. They have some brushes on the edge of the mobile barhead, and also can cleaning the side net, and also the boat net can do the cleaning. And also they have a very high pressure vehicles can walk along this mobile barhead, can make the net cleaning. So this one function is have a very big difference with the older ones. Older ones don't have this function, this system, and these equipments. It's only by the human resource just by to do this kind of cleaning, which will consume lots of man hours to do this one.
How to realize the environmental friendly this function?
啊，什么意思？
就是那个 environment and the fish farm could realize the environmental friendly function, right?
Yes, they have lots of to consider the elements of protections. For example, the fish food, how to control the put the fish food during the operation. They have a very high standard to control this fish food importing tiny and previously, and don't waste much of the fish food in the sea. For example, this one is well feed around 116 million fish in this unit, and they need a lot of food. But if you cannot control the food import very strictly, they will cause a lot of the elements pollutions. So they have a very intelligent and smart systems to control the food input. Another ones, they have the dead fish collection systems. They can if they find the dead fish, they can collect the fish and process this one into the low harm the environment process. So they made dead fish not pollute the elements, and also have another system to make these animals protections. So it's very smart and intelligent unit.
As we know, the Selma, your partner, had provided an initial layout with their preference, and your company conducted engineering, design, and construction. So could you explain us what are the hardest nuts to crack, and what's the problem during the design and manufacturing, and how to solve the problems?
Yeah, actually this is first unit in the world. We never built this before, so we don't have any similar experience which can learn or can abide on previous construction track record. So at the very beginning, we all, both the Selma and our Chinese shipyard, will consider these issues will be a big challenge of this project. So during this one, actually we have a very good preparation for these challenges. So when this changes happens. That means the design changes, design solution changes, and also some the equipment installation solution changes. So we will have meetings to discussing the changes and how to catch the schedules. So by now everything is I think the control is very good. So each very big changes we solve the problems at the first times. So we do together with the SEMA and the side project teams and with our CSIC engineering teams. So we work together. Now we are very good friends because we are sit together to deal with these lots of problems. Now we think we all come out this one. 正好他这个下班的时候。季师傅过来了吧？
早上给他送过来了。
And what do you think the Norwegian firm choose to cooperate with your company?
Oh, I think the Norway has a very high levels of the oil and gas offshore technologies, and also have the advanced fish technologies. So they have very good designs for this new unit. And China have very strong construction capabilities. You can see our yard, the fundamentals and the equipment is very strong. So it's fully enough for this kind of unit constructions. And now we also have the engineering capabilities which can solve these challenges when this design changes during the construction. So I think this is a win-win cooperations for the two countries. One is have very high technologies, and another one is have very strong construction abilities. So these cooperations, I think, is the win for the both sides.
And the significance of the project for your company and for China, do you think?
I think this for this project executions, we let the world to know the Chinese shipyard can build this first intelligent and smart submersible unit. Also can meet the challenges for this kind of units.